Today we are doing a virgin color from scratch, so I'll be back to show you how I did it right after this.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic, back with another hair video. So today I am giving my longtime client a virgin hair color. She has never had hair color before, so we're going to take her up to a copper red brown. But first, before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, a big like, and then go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. All right, guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze, fuel teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks I want and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Let's get girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m., I'll say I'll never go again. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no invite to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang with my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late, and I really love it, never wanna change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. I just want some insight on the life of the average teenage dog. One who looks like on the outside but she just has it all. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Not trying to complain, I'm just a little curious. Cause I see the picture, see the post. Reckless me, not even close. Cause why would I be something that I'm not? I should be happy with the friends I've got, but these thoughts still come to mind. And I can't help but wondering sometimes, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. But I bet if I was there I wouldn't care. I'd dance but I'd stay low. Kids all raising cups while I'm in the back staring at my phone.
Alright, superstars, this is the final look. I think from this angle you can appreciate the color a lot better. The sun was in my camera. I don't know what was going on. But once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. So hit that notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye.